For the Charlotte Fire Heat basketball team, it's not just about buckets and wins. It's about pride, teamwork, and representing the department off the clock with the same intensity they bring to the job.
Charlotte Firefighter basketball team came together about 20 years ago, and it started with us playing a single game against Charlotte Mecklenburg Police Department. And it kind of triggered then, and we joined a couple of leagues, and we reinvented the team about 5 or 6 seasons ago, and we've been competing in tournaments ever since.
Since then, they've been back on the court, competing in local leagues and tournaments, including this year's Great Atlanta Shootout.
It brings a great sense of community and a great sense of accountability. We love playing a game that most of us have been playing all our lives. And it gives us a chance to represent what the Charlotte Fire Department was about, which is accountability, teamwork. And we're really proud to represent the community in our department.
Behind every play is purpose and plenty of practice.
We were very blessed to have one of our local churches, Northside Christian, make their facility available for us to practice. We practice at least once a week, and we do about 2 or 3 hours for our guys to come in and go over some things that we want to use in the future tournaments. It was a very good thing for us, and we were able to prepare for not only the Great Atlanta Shootout, but our future tournaments that we plan on participating in.
By the third game in Atlanta, something clicked.
Absolutely, yes. I could see that from the third game. When we really dug, you could see the focus from the players and how they learned to depend on each other and realized that we had a common goal and we were focused on accomplishing that goal. Everybody sat into their roles, they settled into their roles, and they depended on each other, and they really supported each other. We got huge support from the department and the community that came to support us. It was a very great sight to see that all come together as a coach and as a former player.
They didn't just play. They fought for every possession and for each other.
There were a couple moments in the tournament that really stood out to me that showed the camaraderie and the fight in my guys. There were moments when we were down, and it showed that us as a department and us as men are not willing to give up, but to work together to accomplish our mission.
And that's what it's all about, showing up for your team on and off the court.
Absolutely. Our job strives off of teamwork and accountability and camaraderie. And this, as a team sport, basketball, shows that in every aspect. We build on not only the wins, but also the losses and the preparation it takes to prepare for those common goals that we need to accomplish. So this as a whole not only builds better character, camaraderie, we eat together, we practice together. So it's an extension of what we do for a living.
A team with heart, a team with hustle, a team built by Charlotte Fire.
1, 2, 3, play!